They hate what's inside of you because it can be destroyed, replicated, or taken from you. And they can't stand that. It eats them alive. Whoever this person is, their insecurities and their jealousy runs deep. Deep. This is a very disturbed individual. You definitely should not take their antics towards you personally, okay? Because it's not you that they're battling. It's not you that they're fighting. They're fighting themselves. Whoever this person is, they cannot face their demons, all right? This person has made a lot of mistakes. They have traumatized a lot of people, and they have been through trauma themselves, all right? Their tragedy is too much for them to face. So I feel like this individual projects their insecurities, their demons onto you so that they don't have to do the work that it takes to grow as a person. It makes them feel better to take the easy way out, and that is by projecting their jealousy and their insecurities onto you, okay? Because you are a reminder of what they need to work on in themselves. So they punish you for being that reminder. They try to punish you anyway for being that reminder. Yeah, you are a star. It's your spirit, okay? This person can't destiny swap with you even if they tried, all right? Because you have this spiritual barrier around you. You have this spiritual barrier around your destiny. You have this spiritual barrier around your life, okay? This is what they can't stand. You're too powerful. You're protected without even knowing that you're protected. Yeah, like your ancestors don't play about you. They don't play about you at all. They always provide you with a sense of comfort. They always send you healing energy. And they make sure that they do what they got to do to make sure that your spirit stays intact and that nobody will have the power to destroy it. Okay? Now this could be somebody that in your family or somebody connected to your family in some kind of way that's facing some sort of judgment behind the scenes. Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus may be of significance. Aquarius, Pisces, Gemini don't have to be. Sagittarius. Yeah. This is definitely giving water sign energy. I feel like you are everything that this person pretends to be. All right, they're in competition with you when it comes to your spirit. This is the type of person that would trick you into thinking that they have the same spirit inside of them that they have inside of you, or they may actually trick you out of the spirit that you have inside of you by belittling you, making it seem like you're not who you say you are or know you are, and things like that, okay? But it still does not work because you're too mentally strong for that. This is somebody that is in competition with you in the spiritual realm when it comes to God's favor, when it comes to luck, abundance, and everything like that. Okay, this could be a masculine energy. It doesn't have to be. This could be a feminine in her masculine energy. But I feel like this is somebody that you need to close out a chapter with if you haven't already. All right? Because whoever this individual is, because they refuse to do the work within themselves, all they're going to do is try to continue to destroy you spiritually, physically, mentally, because they're hurting on the inside. Make sure that you go to part 2.